Cold weather presents unique challenges for Tesla Model S charging. Lithium-ion batteries lose efficiency below freezing temperatures. The battery's charge acceptance drops significantly, making it harder to charge quickly or at all. The battery management system prioritizes safety by slowing or stopping charging to avoid battery damage from thermal stress. This protective measure is crucial for long-term battery health. Additionally, frozen charge ports caused by moisture or condensation can physically prevent the charging cable from connecting properly. Understanding these core issues is essential for effective troubleshooting. These challenges can be overcome with proper preparation and understanding of your vehicle's systems. Preconditioning is the primary solution for Tesla Model S charging issues in cold weather. It warms the battery to an optimal temperature before charging to improve efficiency and speed. Specifically, preconditioning heats the battery pack to an optimal range of 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 15 degrees Celsius before plugging in the charger. Tesla's software automatically calculates the required preconditioning time based on several factors: the ambient temperature outside, the current battery state of charge, and the desired charging rate. Access the climate control screen through the Tesla app or the in-car touchscreen display. In the app, go to the Schedule section and enable preconditioning by setting your departure time. This allows the car to automatically warm up before you need to drive. Watch as the battery charges efficiently after preconditioning. The process minimizes energy waste and protects battery longevity. This graph shows how battery capacity and voltage change with temperature. Preconditioning ensures optimal performance by maintaining the right temperature range. Remember, preconditioning might be skipped if the battery state of charge is already high, such as above 80%, to avoid unnecessary energy use. Once preconditioned, the charging process is faster and more efficient, as shown on the in-car display during supercharging. In summary, preconditioning is the key to reliable and efficient charging in cold weather for your Tesla Model S. Tesla's cold weather mode integrates with home energy systems to automate preconditioning based on weather data and your schedule. The latest firmware version 2025.44.2 includes advanced preconditioning algorithms that activate automatically based on weather data from onboard sensors and external sources. Schedule preconditioning through the Tesla app for automated activation before your departure time. Integrate with smart home systems using Matter-compatible hubs for seamless automated preconditioning. View settings on your Tesla display. This automation reduces charge times by up to 30% and cuts energy costs through efficient scheduling. If the charge port is frozen, the connector won't engage. For newer 2023 and later Model S vehicles, the redesigned port includes self-heating elements that thaw it in under 2 minutes. For older models, use Tesla's de-icing spray or a hairdryer on low heat to gently thaw the ice. Never force the connector. Never force the connector. Prevention is key. Use a charge port cover to minimize moisture ingress. Tesla offers a free retrofit program for 2012 to 2022 Model S vehicles to address cold weather charging issues. If you own a Model S from these years, you can check eligibility for Tesla's service program that adds a self-heating charge port. Contact your local Tesla service center to schedule this upgrade. The retrofit permanently fixes the frozen charge port problem, thawing it in under 2 minutes without any user intervention. This eliminates the need for manual thawing methods, ensuring reliable charging even in extreme cold. If preconditioning and thawing don't resolve the charging issues, visit a Tesla service center for professional troubleshooting. Tesla service centers are equipped with advanced diagnostic tools that can simulate cold weather conditions to test your vehicle's charging system. These diagnostics help identify potential freezing risks in components like the charge port and ensure everything is functioning properly in extreme temperatures. Additionally, service centers can assess battery health and examine the thermal management system for any issues that might impact cold weather charging performance. During diagnostics, technicians may perform a charging simulation to observe how the system behaves under controlled conditions. Tesla is continuously improving cold weather performance through over-the-air software updates that deliver fixes and enhancements directly to your vehicle. Future trends include AI-driven preconditioning systems that learn from global user data to predict and automatically schedule charging optimizations, potentially reducing manual intervention by up to 50%. These innovations are powering the next generation of electric vehicle technology. Solid-state batteries and wireless charging technologies could eliminate cold weather charging problems entirely, with batteries that maintain efficiency even in extreme conditions. To get the most out of these advancements, always keep your Tesla updated with the latest firmware for optimal performance in cold weather. Welcome to the final section on expert tips for preventing future problems with your Tesla Model S in cold weather. Dr. Ahmed El-Sharkawi from MIT, a leading battery specialist, states that proper preconditioning can extend your Tesla's battery life by 15 to 20% in harsh climates compared to unoptimized use. Keep your Tesla plugged in whenever possible during cold weather. This helps maintain the battery at optimal temperatures and prevents unnecessary energy drain. To illustrate the importance of proper charging, here's a simple animation of how your Tesla charges in cold conditions. Utilize off-peak charging hours, typically during nighttime, to minimize energy costs and reduce strain on the electrical grid during peak demand periods. Regularly monitor the Tesla Energy app for cold-related alerts and detailed battery health information to stay ahead of potential issues. In conclusion, by implementing these expert tips, preconditioning, staying plugged in, using off-peak charging, and monitoring your app, you can ensure your Tesla Model S operates reliably in cold weather, extending battery life and minimizing costs.